Cash App's merchant blocking feature is a crucial security measure designed to protect users from potentially fraudulent or problematic transactions. This system can prevent payments to specific businesses either through your own actions or automatically through Cash App's advanced fraud detection algorithms. There are four main types of merchant blocks you should understand. User-initiated blocks are ones you create manually. Security blocks are automatically triggered by Cash App's AI fraud detection. Compliance blocks occur due to regulatory requirements. And temporary blocks are short-term restrictions that may resolve automatically. The first method to unblock a merchant is through your payment settings. You'll tap the profile icon in Cash App, then select Privacy and Security from the menu options. Next, you'll navigate to the Blocked Merchants section. Here you'll see a list of all merchants you've blocked or that have been blocked automatically. Simply find the merchant you want to unblock and tap the Unblock button next to their name. The second method is through your transaction history. This is particularly useful when you remember a specific blocked transaction. You can access your activity screen and locate the blocked transaction with that merchant. When you tap on a blocked transaction's details, you'll see an option to unblock merchant. This method is convenient because it takes you directly to the specific merchant that was blocked during that transaction. For security blocked merchants, the process is different. These blocks are triggered by Cash App's fraud detection system and cannot be removed through the standard methods. You'll need to contact Cash App support directly, provide transaction details, and explain why you need the merchant unblocked. The review process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Understanding these merchant blocking features helps you maintain control over your Cash App transactions while benefiting from the platform's security protections. Whether you need to unblock a merchant through settings, transaction history, or support contact, you now know the appropriate method for each situation. Cash App's merchant blocking system has evolved significantly, with artificial intelligence now powering most security decisions. Currently, 78% of all merchant blocks are automated using advanced AI analysis. This AI-powered system has proven highly effective, reducing payment fraud by 35% year over year, while preventing an estimated $2.1 billion in potential fraudulent transactions annually. For users managing merchant access, several critical security practices should be followed. First, and most importantly, always verify merchant legitimacy before unblocking any previously blocked merchant. Two-factor authentication is especially recommended for sensitive unblocking actions. This additional security layer helps protect your account from unauthorized merchant access changes. It's crucial to understand that some compliance-blocked merchants cannot be unblocked by users. These blocks are typically related to regulatory requirements and require manual review by Cash App support. For merchants seeking to avoid blocks, completing all business verification steps is crucial. Additionally, maintaining consistent transaction patterns helps prevent triggering automated security systems. Cash App's enhanced merchant management system demonstrates impressive effectiveness metrics. The block accuracy rate stands at 89%, meaning most automated blocks correctly identify genuine security concerns. User satisfaction with the current system reaches 73%, while false positive blocks have decreased by 52% compared to the previous year. This balance between security and usability represents a maturing platform. As Cash App continues to evolve its merchant management capabilities, users and merchants alike benefit from staying informed about security best practices and system limitations. The platform's commitment to balancing security with usability ensures safer transactions for everyone.